Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Divya English Academy. I'm very much delighted to have one learner joining from the country of Bethlehem, and it's nice to have her here in this online lesson. So, first of all, I want you, dear learner, to introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Huyền. I'm 22 years old. I'm a student at university. My major is in kindergarten. Mm, my hobbies are listening to music and watching films.
All right. So, what do you want to become?
I want to become a teacher who can teach my children is become a good person in the future.
Okay, so nice to know that you want to become a teacher. I welcome you. And then you are going to be a future teacher, so for kindergarten students. And now, can you tell me how long have you been learning English language?
I have learned English for 8 years. It's a long time. I started study English from uh, uh, when I was first grade, and now it's about 8 years.
Okay, so what's your experience of learning language in 8 years? How did you learn it? Do you follow the Bethlehem to English translation method to learn English?
Yes.
What are the activities that you do or that you are doing for learning English language in your country?
To improve English, I practice with the foreigner to find the foreigners in the apps to practice with them to improve my English. And I'm a introvert person, and because of the teacher who speak with me, so I can more confident to speak with them.
Okay, very good. And how important it is to learn English or to become a good English speaker in your country?
I think there are three important factors that you need to improve English study. You need to uh, decide what is your goal, and therefore you need to find the resources on every apps or on the social media to improve your English, and therefore you need to spend time to study practice.
Yes. So, and why it is important for you to learn English?
The importance to learn English that is I need to I want to communicate fluency with the foreigner. Therefore, I choose to learn English.
Yes. Very good answer. I want to become a fluent English speaker, or I want to speak English very fluently, confidently to people from around the world. That's why I chose to learn English language. But your previous answer was that I want to get high salary paid. That's why I'm learning English language. What do you think about that?
Yeah, because it depends on the job. Because I'm just I just want to become a kindergarten teacher. Therefore, English is not benefit for me in my job. Therefore, English is not important for you. But I choose learn English to have a chance to speak with foreigner.
Okay, have chance to speak with foreigners. Very good. And would you like to tell me, as you are going to be kindergarten teacher, so what are you learning at your university? How to handle? It's not easy to handle the kindergarten students, little kids. Very difficult. We need to have enough patience. So, what are you learning, and how will you handle the kids?
Mm, because to take care of children is very difficult. Therefore, you need to have skills. Uh, you have skills, so you need to go to the university to learn to how to teach the children. The teacher at university teach me so much to handle and take care of children. First, you need to be patient with the children and have more information about the have more information about the how to take care of children. Uh, yeah.
Okay, if they cry, what will you do? If they cry, they don't listen you. So how will you handle?
If they cry, yeah, I will to mm, close close to them, and to tell the sweet voice with them, and to take some candies or some cake to make them not cry anymore.
Who will give you money for that? Will you spend your own money?
Yeah, I use my money.
Very good. Good teacher. Appreciate you. I know it's not easy to handle kids, especially when they are very small, very difficult. And when they cry, only the option we have to give something to eat for them, then they can be in control. Appreciate you. Now you will get a chance to watch your video because you watch others videos. Now after this live lessons, you will get opportunity to watch your video. How was your conversation? How confidently were you speaking? What type of questions were asked to you? How have you responded to them? Because sometimes we speak English, we don't realize our mistakes. What do you think about it?
When I learn with you from the call, you record this video, and I can to watch it again, and it's helped me to find what the mistake that I made, and I can to improve it later and better in the future.
Absolutely, very good. You got my questions, so I appreciate you, and thank you so much for joining.